Hi, it's Kelvin. I got a call out on the furnace today that the problem is that they say it won't stay lit, it won't keep heating up. Now, I worked on this furnace before. If you look right, and you see that little silver metal strip, I put that on there. This motor had broke off, and I put a new piece on there. You see it holds that wheel about 2 years ago. So now I'm back. So everything on this side looks good. Probably need a filter right here. Need to change that filter. Okay. This is, I just figured out what this is. This is a like a humidifier. I never seen one that big before. This pipe here brings fresh air in for the furnace. This furnace looks to be about 30 years old. 250,000 BTUs. Model is a CL33 something. 250,000 BTU, 250,000 BTUs, probably 50,000 being lost. Probably only putting out 200,000. That's the gas valve. I'll be honest, I don't know what the hell this is. Looks like some kind of safety. But I'd be willing to bet this is not the original valve. This is what we call a standing pilot valve. That's a 24 volt transformer. This is a standard what we call a standing pilot system. It's an old system. Made by Thermal Pride. That's the fan limit switch. Turns the fan on when enough heat is generated. Also, it has a built-in limit on it, so if you get too hot, it'll shut the burner off. So a lot of times you run into a furnace and you don't really have to know 100% of everything about it. You just need to know what type of system and how it functions. You can pretty much figure the rest out. So I jumped the thermostat upstairs and it seems to be holding, so my diagnosis is going to be that it needs a new thermostat because it's been holding for about 5 minutes now. This is a big piece of junk. Anyway, that's what I did today.